Okay, for supports and differentiation, all the students have strengths in reading at grade level or just about. Um, there are many supports that I can include in these lessons. Like when we do the segment number 3, I can assign specific peers to work with the students. These would be peers that work well and keep the student engaged and on task. Um, Also, I can give a visual support, the idea of what the comic might look like when we put them all together from the post-it notes. Um, and lesson number 1, I can already have a filled out graphic organizer that the students can refer to as an example, even though it relates to a different newspaper article. The final support that I can have is utilizing Daryl's para to help him and maybe some of the other groups either stay on task or help answer questions that they have. There are many ways to make modifications for the students in all 3 lessons. Um, like, for example, in the second lesson that I do, I can make a recording of when I'm reading to the class. I also can have a blank pre-made up comic strip at the end so that they can sequence their ideas from numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, depending on how many pages we cover. And then ways that I can differentiate. In the summative assessment, if the student can answer some of the questions, that would be great. And then when it comes down to the question 5 essay response, students could use the same comic strip method to draw out how Tom, the main character from the story, how his values change from the beginning until how he is at the end.